Hello friends, today we going to fill Malta visa. So let's start form. Go to your browser, then type VFS Malta. www.vfsglobal.com/malta/india/ this is the home page for the VFS Malta. Now please go to visa types and then click on tourist. And after that click on download form and click on Malta visa application form. This is an application form, please download it. Please open with Adobe Reader. Now go to tools, click on fill and sign. This is a 4-page form. Read all this before start form filling. At first type your surname or family name. And after that type your surname at birth. After all these please enter your first name or given name. And after that move forward to the next section. Here you have to enter your date of birth, place of birth, country of birth. And then please enter your current nationality at birth if different. Now select the checkbox of male or female. And after that move forward to the next section. Here you have to choose your marital status. And then come to the type of travel of document. Please choose from the following options. After all these you have to move forward to the passport details section. Here you have to fill your passport number, date of issue, expiry date and name of the country issued by. And after that move forward to the next section. Please provide applicant current address and contact number here. And now please choose the residence of another country, if you have. After that please give your occupation details here. And after that name and address of the firm you are working with. And then come to the next section and choose your purpose of the journey.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection? Don't worry, we are here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.